Some sins weigh heavily on the heart, habits we try to leave but cannot. Ramadan may be the turning point you've been waiting for. If we are trapped in a bad habit that we cannot leave, or stuck in a sin that is difficult to abandon, we can benefit from the patience, endurance, and self-discipline that Ramadan offers and leave behind these sins and habits that eat away at us from within. At the very least, we must form a serious and sincere intention to do so. Let us reflect for a moment. The devils are chained, the commanding self loosens its grip, the soul is softened, and the people around us are engaged in fasting and prayer. The atmosphere and environment are extremely suitable for abandoning sins and bad habits. For example, Ramadan is a very good opportunity to quit smoking and leave this harmful habit behind. There is no better time than Ramadan to train the self to stay away from such destructive behaviors. Habits such as watching forbidden things, backbiting, gossiping, listening to inappropriate music, and using bad language can, with Allah's help alone, strong determination and sincere perseverance, be abandoned during this month, inshallah. How can one claim to be a complete Muslim while knowingly and willingly surrendering to the tricks of the ego? Would you not wish for this blessed month, which makes turning to Allah, relying on Him, making dua, being patient, competing in patience and self-accountability, easier to become a new beginning for leaving bad habits behind? Ramadan is not just a pause from sin, it is an invitation to freedom. Make sincere intention, seek help only from Allah. Let this Ramadan be your new beginning. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. What habit do you want to leave behind this Ramadan? Subscribe to Light of Iman and stay with us for day 10 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah grant us strength, sincerity, and lasting change. Ameen.